Welcome to our today's session. Today we are covering two external command. Our first command is find command and second command is format command. So why we are using find command? So dear students, whenever you want to search a text string within a file, you can use find command. Now I can show you with a practical. So dear students, here in my laptop I have multiple documents file in my desktop. So if I want to find all these document files, for that I have to write find. Then if you want to add any string, just like I am adding inverted comma process inverted comma close, then star.docx. Why I am writing star.docx? I want to find all the documents file. Okay, for that I have to write star, and .docx is the extension of document file. So after pressing this, you can see all the document files. Here I have practical file format, pro.docx, then there are multiple files. So dear students, now these files are available in my desktop. If you want to see, now I can show you. These are practical formats, these are mtech practical format, then these are pro.docx. so this is the way how we can find multiple files in my desktop. So how we can use find command? Now I am using my another command, that is format. I want to format my specific drive. Okay, which drive you want to format, you can write format. Okay dear student, this is the help regarding format. Is used to format a disk for the use with the help of window. So dear students, here you can see I have multiple drives. So now I want to format my I drive. So for that I have to write format and my drive name. So format I colon. Okay, whenever you are doing this and pressing enter, it will ask you to enter the drive. If you are not entering your if you are not attaching your pen drive with your laptop, so you can attach this, and after that you can press enter. So dear students, after pressing enter, it can starting my formatting process. Right now it is 0%, but within the duration of time it can proceed from 0% to 100%, just like that. Here now you can see it will become 1%. So dear students, thank you for our today lecture. Today we are covering two external commands.